Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Wednesday, January 7th, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes showed mixed performances today. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,921.53, down by 23.30 points. Meanwhile, Dow 30 index experienced a sharper drop, closing at 48,996.7 with a decrease of 466.2 points, while Nasdaq Composite Index showed resilience, rising 37.10 points to close at 23,584.27. Despite some declines, market breadth showed a broader downturn with more stock declines. For example, in the S&P 500, there were 383 decliners against 110 advancers. Similarly, the S&P 400 midcap had 293 stocks declining and only 99 advancing, indicating a challenging day for small to mid-sized companies. In terms of returns, Russell 2000 Index led week-to-date performance with an impressive 2.68% increase. Meanwhile, S&P 400 Midcap Index showed the strongest momentum month-to-date with a 3.39% return, bolstered by consistent daily growth. The healthcare and communication services showed strength today. Healthcare reached a new all-time high, closing at 1,862.18 with a gain of 18.68 points. Meanwhile, communication services broke out of a flat trend, increasing by 3.56 to close at 455.27, marking a positive trend shift. Utilities led the decline among sectors, with a significant drop of 10.72 points to 425.28, marking a 2.4% decrease influenced by downward volatility. Industrials and basic materials also faced downturns, down 1.8% and 1.6% respectively, despite exhibiting strong positive trends earlier. Global markets showed strength across the board, with all indexes reaching new highs. Sweden led the charge, closing at 50.87, a rise of 0.76. Israel followed suit with strong momentum, ending at 117.12, up by 0.81, driven by upward volatility across 4 days. Week-to-date performances highlight Israel's impressive lift with a return of 4.57%. Meanwhile, Sweden and Poland continued their gains with 3.31% and 4% month-to-date returns, respectively. Solid returns and strong trends are indicating robust momentum in these markets. The tech sector showed mixed momentum today. Apple ended the day at $260.35, down 2.1 as it continued its descent for 6 straight days. Contrarily, Alphabet surged with a close at $322.48, up notably by 7.93, showing a very strong upward trend. Meanwhile, Amazon closed at $241.62, rising marginally by 0.69, marking its third straight positive close. Meta Platforms dipped by 11.93 to close at $648.69, showcasing a very strong negative trend. Furthermore, Nvidia showed strength with an increase to 189.18 as it ended the day up by 1.93, reflecting new upward momentum.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 91,109.27, down 2,612.74, showing a 2.7% decrease. There is some upward volatility today, despite a mixed negative trend. Ethereum is down 4.5% at 3,144.23. BNB is also down at 897.16, showing a mix of downward pressure but flattening over 3 days. Solana registers a fall of 3.4% with some current upward swings. Dogecoin is priced at 0.1467, down 2.5%, part of a 2-day slide, but with some upward volatility over the past 9 days. Diving deeper into returns, Bitcoin's month-to-date return is a promising 4.13% despite recent volatility. Ethereum stands out with a strong monthly return of 5.98%. Meanwhile, Solana impresses with a high month-to-date return of 9.44%, leading among peers. Dogecoin has been volatile, recording a substantial monthly gain of 25.13%, a significant outlier in this mix.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Currently, the US dollar is gaining ground against major currencies. Against the euro, it stands at 0.8563, rising 0.0010. Meanwhile, against the British pound, the greenback is up 0.0023 to 0.7430, continuing a 2-day climb. The yen sees a rise to 156.7900 amidst a sustained strong trend. Lastly, the dollar is mixed against other currencies, showing differing trends but remaining on an upward trajectory today.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI. With market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com, always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.